Today we're gonna make a beat, but with the motherfucking catch. The catch is, my sister's gonna pick out the sounds, and I'm gonna try to make it sound cool. We're gonna take some fucking drugs.
I'm not taking drugs.
No, what are we taking?
Just gonna get his drugs.
No, this is Monet Energy. This is like a new
Energy drink.
I already drank some today, in case you can't tell.
Puta madre.
Yo, check out this sick ass fucking crib we're at. This video is sponsored by Monet. They're paying me $1 million to say this. I'm just kidding. All right, so these are the packs that we have. And I want you to go ahead and pick one of these and we'll get some sounds from
This one got my attention.
the high voltage. Okay, these are actually Serum presets, and Serum is a synthesizer that like you can design sounds with. Okay, so here are the sounds. My sister doesn't really listen to this type of music, I don't think.
I listen to your music only.
Sounds like a fire. Yeah, a lot of EDM does.
That's the first one's cool. The first note that you're doing.
The first note? What type of tempo should we do?
What's a tempo?
The tempo is the speed of the song. Okay, it's like something around there. Let's do some drums. We should have started with the drums first.
Okay, let's pick this one. I was gonna pick this one anyway.
Alright, first we're gonna start with the kick. Your kick drum is like kind of like your foundation for the song, for me. It's called Puta. Oh no.
I like it. Wait, go back to abundant. I like that one.
That one's really fast. Okay. Let's pick a snare from the same pack.
That limit one was cool.
Alright. So this is called halftime. So you skip a beat.
This is how you build music?
Yes. Alright, so now I've written down the beat and I've looped it because that's the little red area. What do you think about that beat?
I like it.
Yeah.
My clean one is clean.
Yeah, it's one of my favorites. I like that one. Okay. You know what we can do too? That's that sound. We can play higher notes. Let's see what that sounds like. I just randomly put some notes.
I like it.
I'ma pull up in your crib. I got energy drinks. I'm fucking hype, motherfucker.
That one is mean. It makes the song mean.
It does. It sounds very messy. Like, so what I can do is do something called sidechain. So like I'm gonna take this sound and I'm gonna route it to the mixer.
Which the mixer is what we've done already.
No, this is the mixer. This is the mixer. It's like you know, like at studios they have like big ass panels and then they have like those little things. That's what this is. Also, what's happening is that the sounds are overlapping each other. And that's creating a really whack ass like messy effect. So what I'm gonna do is put this shit on mono. And what this is gonna do is that every time a new note hits, it'll stop the previous one, and it's gonna sound cleaner now. Look. So this A note and this E note, when they overlap, it sounds whack. Watch.
Oh, I see.
But when I turn this on,
it's like
it's cleaner. The E note is cleaner. Every time this kick hits, because the kick lives on the lower end of the spectrum, and so does this bass. Lower end meaning like lower end frequencies like bass and shit. You don't want those things to clash because it'll sound dirty. So what I'm doing is I'm turning down the volume with this automation clip like that, and then it goes back up. Like this little thing will bring it back up.
this sound right here.
Yes, exactly. And you'll see it right here with this little sliding note. Watch. You see how it went down?
Oh, yeah.
It's stuck in the sound. If I take it off.
Oh, wow.
I was not expecting the song to sound like this. This is very like aggressive and mean.
I was thinking that doesn't even go with my personality.
It doesn't.
But I like it.
Let's change up this melody so it's not so whack. So I'll let you do this part. Right now, these little white ones that are a little bit lighter, do you see the lighter ones? Those are actually like, this is like a helper. It helps you know what scale you're in. So right now for that, like these last two notes, I want you to pick a different place.
So like maybe like right here.
Okay. Right there?
Down more.
Right there?
Yeah.
Wow, it's really low. Okay. And then another one. Yeah, and then
and then that one you can do like right there, I guess.
Okay, cool. So it's gonna go like this now. Let's add a vocal sample. These are all like ones I recorded. A lot of it's my voice, some of my friends.
Let me see you shake it. Run for your life.
Oh my god.
What the fuck is this shit?
Check this out.
That's cool, but I think the fillets from to it.
Yeah, I feel it down in the floor.
All right, so we're gonna start chopping it up and just trying to make a groove out of this vocal chop. That's what I'm gonna do. Whoa, relax. So I'm gonna do it without the bass real quick, just that.
Yeah, I feel it down. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it down in the floor. Yeah, I feel
I
it.
like it.
Yeah,
I like it too. So what I'm gonna do is remove all that low end frequency
If
from
he
it.
likes it, is good.
yeah, I feel it down in the floor. Yeah, I feel it.
Oh.
Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it.
So now
yeah,
it's not
I feel it
interfering with our
down in the
bass.
floor.
So now I can bring the bass back in.
Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it down in the floor.
Okay, we're gonna make it a little bit more fun. I'm gonna put the bass and the vocals going through a low pass filter, and you'll see what that does. The low end frequencies is the low bass frequencies, right? So I'm only gonna let those low frequencies pass. That's why it's called the low pass.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna put an LP, low pass, create automation clip, and just do this and just raise it up. So it's gonna be kind of like a build up. So it'll be like,
Yeah, I feel it.
see how it's like,
Yeah, I feel it.
it's like open up.
Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it down in the floor. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it down in the floor.
You know what we could do to that? Yeah, I feel it. Maybe put like something called a frequency shifter. So what this does is actually takes the frequencies. It's kind of complicated. I don't know if I'm explaining it right, but it like takes the frequencies and instead of like turning up the pitch, it just shortens up the frequency.
Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it.
And then also, you know what it needs? A crash. So when it hits, it's like,
Saturated? Long.
yeah. We can shorten it up. So if it's too long, you open up the sampler and then you turn this up and then.
Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it down in the floor. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it.
Let's put a chant right there. That'd be fire. I kind of heard that when I said woo.
Woo. Yeah, 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 yeah.
I think you can put the whoa, but you can make changes. Like
whoa.
it sounds different.
Whoa.
Oh, maybe like some delay or something? Okay, I think I know what you mean.
Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it.
Low.
So people can get this, and then they can make like their little changes, and they make it sound different.
Yeah, they do whatever they want. The way I've been really looking at this shit, like what I do with the sounds, is like not only am I want to share the stuff that I create, but I would also like to record like what I did in Miami, and I recorded like with these strangers and shit. Like
he was
record
really trying to get some sounds in Miami.
But I want to record like emotions and a time and place. Anyway, so I'm gonna put a delay.
Low.
Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it.
You know what? Fuck that. Whoa. Let's go into another pack. That was cool, huh? I think that one has the energy we're looking for.
Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah.
All right, we did it.
Yay!
Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it down in the floor. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it down in the floor. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it down in the floor. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it down in the floor.
If you want this project, it's available for my Patreons. So consider becoming a Patreon. If you want to support me in the channel, check out Thread Collective. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
The channel.
And
That's what you have to say. Subscribe and like and comment.
follow my sister on Instagram at this shit. And I'll see you guys on the next shot. Peace.